today I'm going to talk about Christmas wine etiquette. And talking about the Christmas wine etiquette, we're going to talk about the Christmas selection, but also Christmas wine pairing. We're going to talk about Christmas wines and opening the wines, and we're going to talk about how to serve the wines.
Great. Exciting.
So let's start. We're starting with champagne because there's not a more perfect wine to start a Christmas dinner than the champagne. So, what is the service temperature of vintage champagne? 1, room temperature, 15 to 18 Celsius. Lightly chilled, 10 to 13. Well chilled, 6 to 8. Or very cold, 2 to 5 degrees.
Okay. And for all of you who are regular to the Monday Fun Day Wine Trivia, you know, Jeopardy music gives you an opportunity to lock in your answer. Put your answers in the comment section. And for those of you who get it right, you get bragging rights, the ultimate prize. Okay, Monika, everyone 100% agrees that it should be number 3, well chilled.
Well chilled. I see those numbers coming up. I'm very happy to see that because, yes, it should be well chilled. 6 to 8 degrees. You could, for vintage champagne, you could stay at that 8, maybe even going to 9, and for some of the styles of richer, fuller body sparkling wine. So let's go to the next question. We're serving wine. Who should you pour the wine tasting portion to? So, first one, the oldest person at the table. Second, the host. Third, the oldest woman at the table. Or for the youngest man.
Okay, time for all of you to channel your inner sommelier and try to get the right answer for this. Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Okay, Monika, we have a tie between 2 and 3. Some people saying the host and some people saying the oldest woman.
Okay, well, when it comes to the wine service, it is the person that orders the wine that is called the host. This is also the person that is going to taste the wine. So when a sommelier or a server approaches the table, they approach the table with the bottle that has been ordered. They're going to present that bottle to the host, and then they're going to pour the tasting portion to the host and possibly to the sommelier as well. Why do they do that? They want to check if the bottle is fresh and it isn't faulty. The most important part at this moment is the wine assessment. If there's a wine fault, the wine can be sent back. So, knowing that, you know that this is the host, the person that orders the wine, is the person that is also tasting the wine.